Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for submitting a Google Meet link for our conferences. The reason we're doing this, we're going to house these on the new high school directory for students to find. Also, it eliminates a step. It gives us it's going to give us a spreadsheet for everybody's Google Meet for conferences, so we all have it that we can use and we could direct and use and send them to our students. If you already have a Google Meet link for it, just submit it to me. You don't have to create a new one. Just submit to me what you have. Even if you have more than one, give me a couple. That's fine. If you need to create one, all right, you're simply going to Google Meets. All right, Google Meet. Click on the first link. Second step, hit the plus sign. Join or start a meeting. You do not have to name it anything, okay? You just hit continue. Don't worry about naming it. Now, you won't have that little pop-up. Just hit dismiss. It's because of the browser I'm using. The link I need is underneath, on the right-hand side, underneath Meeting Ready. You're going to copy and paste Meeting Ready into the Google form. You highlight it, hit Control-C, or if you're using a Mac, Command-C. You're going to paste this into the link on the very bottom. It says copy and paste the Google Meet link. Command or Control V, and it'll paste it right in there. Fill in your first name, your last name, and then your department, okay? And then hit submit. All right, that's all I need. It will put together a spreadsheet for us. I'll share that with everybody. It will also, they will all be linked to the directory which we saw the first week of this summer. Thank you, everybody. If you have any questions, let me know.